Conversation practice. Part 1. I don't get it. I've been waiting here for almost an hour, and she still hasn't shown up.
Did she text you or anything?
No, nothing. I even tried calling her, but she didn't pick up.
Maybe she got stuck in traffic?
If that were the case, she would have at least sent me a message.
That's true. It's not like her to be this late without saying anything.
Exactly, she's usually the one reminding me to be on time.
Did you two have a fight or something?
Not at all. We were fine when we last talked.
That's strange. Maybe something urgent came up?
I don't know, but if that's the case, she could have at least let me know.
I get why you're frustrated. No one likes being left hanging.
Yeah, I was really looking forward to seeing her today.
Have you checked her social media? Maybe she posted something.
Good idea. Let me check. Nope, nothing new.
Well, that's weird. Do you want to wait a bit longer?
I don't know, I'm starting to feel like she's not coming.
All right, but if she still doesn't show up, I'm heading home.
Sounds like a plan. I hope everything's okay with her. Part 2.
What exactly are you doing right now?
Just taking a little break, sir.
A break? I don't recall seeing you working before this break.
I was about to get started, but I needed a moment to clear my mind.
Clear your mind? We have deadlines to meet. This isn't a vacation.
I understand, sir. I was just trying to refresh myself before diving in.
Well, how about you refresh yourself after actually getting some work done?
Of course, sir. I'll get right to it.
Good, because I don't want to catch you lounging around when there's work piling up.
I didn't mean to slack off, sir. It won't happen again.
I hope not, because next time, we'll be having a much more serious conversation.
Yes, sir. I'll make sure to stay on top of my tasks.
Good. Now, get back to work before I have to remind you again.
Understood, sir. I'll be productive from now on.
That's what I want to hear. Now, show me some results.
Will do, sir. I appreciate the reminder.
Less talking, more working.
Yes, sir. Right away.
Part 3.
You look deep in thought. What's on your mind?
Just trying to figure out my finances. Someone thinking about paying rent and car loan at the same time is bound to feel a little stressed.
I get that. Rent alone is already a big expense, and car loans aren't cheap either.
Exactly. Every month, I have to calculate down to the last dollar just to make sure I have enough.
Have you considered budgeting apps? They might help you manage things better.
I tried a few, but unexpected expenses always mess up my plans.
Yeah, Emergencies can throw everything off. Do you have any savings set aside?
Not much. I barely have anything left after paying rent, the car loan, and utilities.
That sounds tough. Maybe you could look into refinancing your car loan for a lower monthly payment?
I thought about it, but my credit score isn't great. I might not get a better deal.
I see. What about cutting back on non-essential expenses?
I've already done that. No eating out, no subscriptions, no unnecessary shopping.
That's really disciplined. Have you considered picking up a side gig?
I have, but I'm already exhausted from my full-time job. I don't know if I can handle more.
I get it. Working too much can burn you out. Maybe there's a way to negotiate a raise at work?
I wish. My company isn't doing well, so a raise isn't likely anytime soon.
That's frustrating. What's your long-term plan? You can't keep struggling like this forever.
Honestly, I don't know. I'm just taking it 1 month at a time.
Maybe talking to a financial advisor could help. They might have solutions you haven't considered.
That's a good idea. I just need to find one who won't charge me an arm and a leg.
Yeah, totally. I'll ask around. Maybe someone I know can recommend a good one.
Part 4.
I don't know how much longer I can take this. I've been working here for years, but my salary hasn't gone up at all.
I get it. That's really frustrating. Have you talked to your boss about it?
I have, multiple times. Every time, they just say there's no budget for raises.
That doesn't seem fair. You've been here for so long and you work hard.
Exactly, I've taken on extra responsibilities, stayed late, and even helped train new employees.
And yet they still won't acknowledge your effort with a raise?
Nope, it's like they expect loyalty without offering anything in return.
That's ridiculous. Have they given anyone else a raise?
Not that I know of, but I heard some new hires are making almost as much as I do.
Wait, what? That's completely unfair.
I know, right? I've been here for years, and they're paying newcomers nearly the same as me.
That would drive me crazy. You deserve better than this.
I've thought about leaving, but I don't know if I'll find another job easily.
Have you started looking? It might be worth seeing what's out there.
Not seriously, but maybe I should. I can't keep living paycheck to paycheck like this.
You really should. You have experience and skills. A better company would actually value that.
I guess I've just been hoping things would change here, but I don't think they ever will.
If they haven't given you a raise in years, they probably never will unless you threaten to leave.
That's what I'm afraid of. I don't want to stay stuck in a dead-end job forever.
Then maybe it's time to move on. You don't owe them your loyalty if they don't value you.
You're right. I should at least update my resume and start applying.
Yes. The worst that can happen is you get some offers and have a choice.
Yeah, and if I get a better offer, maybe my boss will finally take me seriously.
Exactly. Either they give you what you deserve, or you find something better.
I think I needed to hear that. I'm going to start looking this week.
Good. You deserve to be paid what you're worth.
Please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and see you in the next video. Thank you.